morning and assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. And I hope students, all of you are doing practice your lecture on daily basis. Okay students, today we are going to start our lecture number 5, week number 5 and unit number 2. And today topic is even and odd. Even and odd. Okay students, first of all I will tell you what is even and odd. All of you are familiar with even and odd because you all have learned about even and odd. What is even? Even number are those number which are divisible by 2. even नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं जो 2 पर डिवाइड हो जाते हैं, जो 2 पर डिविजिबल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 पर कौन कौन से नंबर डिवाइड होते हैं? 2 हो जाता है, उसके बाद 4, 2 2 are 4, 6 2 3 are 6, 8 2 4 are 8 and 0. Okay student, even number are those number which are divisible by 2, जो 2 पर डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. उसके बाद जो इनके मिड में रिमेनिंग नंबर है ना, फॉर एग्जांपल इसके बाद 1 है, यहाँ 3 है, यहाँ 5 है, यहाँ 7 है. These are odd number. Okay student, these remaining are odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are odd numbers and these are even number. Okay students, understand? 2 0 2 4 6 8. These are even number. 1 3 5 7 9. These are odd numbers. Okay student, which are odd numbers? Now we have to solve our exercise number 8. Look at the statement. Read the statement carefully. Exercise number 8. Tick the even numbers and cross the odd numbers. Here are some numbers given us. We have to tick the even numbers and cross the odd numbers. Okay student, here are some numbers. So first of all we have to tick the even numbers and then we have to cross out the odd number. So first of all what should do now? We have to find the even number. Okay student, all of us are know 0 2 4 6 and 8 are even numbers, but these are single numbers. Student, these are single even numbers. Single even numbers, but here are two digit number given us. यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट सिंगल नंबर है और यहाँ पर हमें 2 डिजिट नंबर दिए गए हैं. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड विच आर इवन नंबर एंड विच आर ऑड नंबर? सो हियर इज अ ट्रिक. यहाँ पर हमें ट्रिक अप्लाई करेंगे. वो ये है कि हम यहाँ पर इसका वंस नंबर देखेंगे. वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द वंस नंबर. which is the वंस नंबर? even either वंस नंबर is even or odd. If our वंस number is even, it means our complete number is even. If our वंस number is odd, it means our complete number is odd. Understand student? अगर हमारा जो वंस नंबर है, तो देखिएगा यहाँ पर वंस एंड टेंस, हमने जस्ट अपने वंस नंबर पर फोकस करना है. We have to focus on our वंस नंबर. अगर हमारा वंस नंबर इवन है तो हमने ये हमारा होल नंबर जो है वो इवन ही होगा. नेक्स्ट नंबर इवन है ओड है, इट डजंट मैटर. नेक्स्ट नंबर हमारा जो भी है हमें उसको नहीं देखना. वी हैव टू फोकस आवर वंस नंबर. अगर हमारा वंस नंबर इवन है इट मींस हमारा ये कंप्लीट नंबर इवन है, चाहे हमारा ये वाला नंबर इवन हो या ओड हो, ये हमने नहीं देखना. सो हियर इज 6 is even number, so this is our even number. Next we have to look at the ones number. Ones number is 7, so this is our odd number. So next 58. This is our ones number and ones number is even number. So this whole number is even. So we have to take this number. Now look at the next number. Next one's number is odd. It means it is our odd number. 0 even, it is our even number. Okay student, understand which numbers are even and which numbers are odd. ये तो आपको पता चल गया है कि even numbers कौन से हैं, odd number कौन से हैं. These are singles number. When here are 2 digit number. जब 2 digit number में से हमने find out करना होता है कि कौन सा हमारा even number है, कौन सा हमारा odd number है. So we have to focus our ones number. Ones number, first number. If even, that means our whole number is even. If our ones number is odd, that means our whole number is odd. We have to focus just on the ones number. We don't look at the next number. Okay student? Now these are 2-digit numbers and here are 3-digit numbers. Okay student, now we have to find which are even numbers and which are odd numbers. So what we'll do now, we have to focus on the ones number. Which is the ones number here? Ones, tens, hundred. This is our ones number. So look at the ones number. If ones number is even or odd, you can see here this is our even number. So it means this whole number is even. So we have to tick this number. Okay student? Now move to the next. Look at the ones number. This is odd number. But student, you can see here next numbers are even. But student, I have told you that we don't look at these numbers. Just we have to focus our ones number. हमें just अपने ones number पर focus करना है. अगर हमारा ones number even है तो हमारा full number even है. अगर हमारा ones number odd है तो हमारा full number odd ही होगा. It doesn't matter, ये matter नहीं करता कि हमारे next number even है या odd है. अगर ये हमारे even भी होते हैं then तब भी हमारा ये odd number ही होगा because हमारा ये ones number odd है. Okay student? Now move to the next. Next is 446. This ones number is even, so it means this number is even. Next one's number is odd, so this number is odd. We have to cross this number. Next one's number is 8, so 8 and 8 is even number. So we have to tick this number because this is our even number. Now look at the 449. 9 is odd, so we have to cross because this is our odd number. Okay students, look at the another numbers. Here are 4 digit numbers given us. 4 digit number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here are 2 digit numbers, here are 3 digit numbers, and these are 4 digit numbers. So what should do I now? We have to focus our ones number. Either our ones number is even or odd. If our ones number is even, it means the whole number is even. If our ones number is odd, it means our whole number is odd. If our ones number is even, it means it is our even number. If ones number is odd, it is our odd number. If ones number is even, it is our even number. Okay, to understand, in this method we have to focus, we have to look the number in ones. If ones number is even, so our numbers are even. If ones number is odd, our numbers are odd. Understand student? You have to solve remaining parts by yourself at your home. This is your home task. Student, our next topic is place value. What is place value? Place value, each digit has a value according to where it is placed here are 3 numbers. Okay student, so we have to tell the place value of these numbers. Student, all of you know about the place value because you have learned about the place value in the previous lecture. Again I am recalling you, again I am telling you what is the place value. For your information I am telling you again, place value means the number. For example, number 3 is in 1st place, 6 is in 10th place, 4 is in 100th place. Which 3 number position is ones. It is in the ones position, it means 3 number position is ones, its place is ones, and 6 number is in 10th position, so its place is tens. Okay student, and 4th place value is 100. Understand student, what is place value? You have learned in previous lecture, and now in this lecture I am telling you again the number in which position is the number is that position is its place value. For example, this is 3 is in ones, 6 is in tens, 4 is in 100. So 3's place value is ones, 6th place value is tens, and 4th place value is 100. Understand student? Okay, now we have to solve our exercise. Now we have to solve the exercise according to its place value. Look at the board. Okay student, what numbers are given us? Which numbers are 3196? So we have to write these numbers in its place value. Okay student, 3000, how many thousand? 3196. Okay student, which number is in thousand place? 3 number. Okay student, which number is in 100 place? 1 number. Okay, next 96. These 2 numbers are in, this is in 10th place and this number is in 1st place. So first we have to write the number which is in thousand place. First of all, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is thousand. TH means thousand. This is 10,000. T means 10, TH thousand. And this is 100, H for 100 and 1000. Okay, which number is given us here? 3000. So we have to write this 3 into the thousand place. This 3 place value is 1000. So we have to write the 3 is in thousand place. Okay student, इस 3 number की place value 1000 है because 3000 you can read 3000. Next is 100. 100 place में कौन सा number आएगा? 1. So we have to write here 1. Okay. Next 96. 90 is in 10th place. We have to write here 9. 6 is in 1st place. We have to write here 6. So what is the place value of 3000? What is the place value of 100? What is the place value of 9 is 10. What is the place value of 0 is 6. Understand student? ये place value है, जो नंबर जिस पोजीशन पे होता है, जिस जगह पर होता है, वो जिस पोजीशन जिस प्लेस पर होता है उसकी उस प्लेस को हम उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू बोलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 314,000. 314,000 मीन्स ये हमारा 100 में 1000 आ गया है. 314,000. सो नेक्स्ट इज 62. ओके स्टूडेंट, 314,000 मीन्स हमारा 1000 अब 100 तक पहुंच गया है. यू कैन रीड 314,000. तो हम क्या करेंगे? व्हाट शुड डू वी नाउ? वी हैव टू राइट 314,000. 1 4 14, 314 हम राइट करेंगे, 314,000 हम 100,000 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, 3 नंबर हम यहाँ राइट करेंगे, 10,000 में हम 1 नंबर राइट करेंगे और 1000 में हम 4 नंबर राइट करेंगे, 314, then 62, 60 will be come in 10th place, 2 will be come in 1st place. Which number will come in 100 place? There is no number given us in 100 place. यहाँ पर तो कोई भी हमें 100 का नंबर नहीं बताया गया स्टूडेंट। जब हमें कोई नंबर नहीं बताया हुआ होता, so we have to write here 0. We have to write here 0. When we don't know about number, so we have to write here 0. Okay student. Now next is 9,008. 9,008. 9. What is in 1000 place? 9 and last number is 8. 9 is in 1000 place. Just 1000 student. You can see here. Here is just 9,000. Single 9,000 है यहाँ पर. 9,000 है single. ना ये 100 में है, ना ये 10 में है. Just ये 9,000 है, तो we have to write 9 into 1000 place. 9. जब ये 9 10 से अबव हो जाएगा तो हमारा 10,000 बन जाएगा। जब हमारा 1000 100 से अबव हो जाएगा तो हमारा 100,000 बन जाएगा। अभी ये 9,000 है, तो we have to write 9 into 1000 place. Next number is then 1's number, so we have to write here 8 number here. So student, where are the 100 and 10th number? So I have told you that when we don't know any number, there is no any number. So we have to write here 0 instead of these numbers. जो हमारे पास हमें कोई नंबर, इनके मिड में कोई नंबर नहीं दिया होता, तो हम उनके स्पेस में 0 राइट कर देते हैं। तो ये क्या है? 9,008. Okay student, understand? We have to read these statements and we have to write the numbers according to its place value. We have to take number from this side and we have to put numbers into its place. हमने यहाँ से numbers इनकी value के according लेने हैं और यहाँ पर इनके box में उनको हमने write कर देना है. Understand student? Remaining parts we have to solve by yourself. Look at the next exercise number 9. What is the statement? Place the numbers in correct boxes and write their names. First here are number given us 3,174. Okay student, first of all we have to write its place value. Its place value is the ones, its tens, its 100, its 1000. Okay student, 1000. Okay student, now what will do we now? First of all we have to place this number according to their value. Here is table given us. We have to put these numbers into its values and then we have to write their names, complete names. So students, 3,174. You can see here 1, 10, 100, 1000. Just 1000 number given us. हमारे पास just 1000 तक नंबर है, so we have to start writing from the 1000. Which number is in 1000 place? 3 number is in only 1000 place. You can see here. We have to also look at the place value. हमें place value को भी देखना है कि place value 1000 में है, 10,000 में है या 100,000 में है. अगर ये 1000 में है तो हमने इसके नंबर को 1000 में ही राइट करना है. So 3 place value is 3 place value is 1000. So we have to write 3 into 1000 place. Okay student, because we are talking about 1000. Next is one number is place value is 100. So we have to write this one into 100 place. Next is 7 place value is 10. We have to write 7 into 10th place. 4 place value is 1. So we have to write this number into its house. Its house is 1. So now we have to write its complete name. So 3,174 then 1000. Complete spellings of 1000. 3000, 100. We have to write complete spelling of these numbers. 3000, 100. We have to put comma after 3000, 100 and 74. We combine both numbers. 7, 4 become 74. We always write tens and ones combinedly. स्टूडेंट, जब भी हम किसी नंबर को कंप्लीट, किसी भी नंबर के कंप्लीट नेम राइट करते हैं तो उसके वंस और टेंस को हम कंबाइन करके राइट करते हैं. वंस और टेंस को जब भी राइट करेंगे इनको कंबाइन कर देंगे, मिलाकर लिखेंगे. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने 7 और 4 को कंबाइन करके 74 बना दिया. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? ओके, मूव ऑन द बोर्ड. हियर इज अनदर एग्जांपल. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000. After 1000, how many thousand will come? 10,000. Okay, student. After 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, 100,000 will come. Okay, student. So, first of all, we have to see two number place value is 100,000. Here is 100,000. Number 2 place value is 100,000. Number 4, its place value is 10,000. 3 place value is only 1000. 0 is in 100 place, 9 is in 10 place, 8 is in 1 place. So we have to write here which number is in 100,000. 2 number is in 100,000. We have to write here 2. Which number is in 4,000? Which number is in 10,000? 4 number. Next, which number is in 1000? 3 number. We have to write here 3. Understand, student? Next, which number is in 100 place? 0. Which number is 10th place? 9. Which number is in 1st place? 8. Okay, student? First is ones, then tens, then 100, then 1000. After 1000, 10,000 will come. After 10,000, 100,000 will come. Understand, student? Okay, now we have to write their complete name. So, we write, first of all, we have to divide these into two parts. This is one part. Its 1000 is in 100,000. This 1000 is in 100,000. So, what should we do? We have to write 243,000. This is 243,000. We have to write 200 because student ये 1000 हमारा 100 तक जा रहा है. पहले 1000 है, फिर 10,000 है, फिर 100,000 है. जब इनके हम कंप्लीट नेम राइट करेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसको 1000 में राइट करेंगे. 243,000. 243,000. Okay, student. Now, comma. We have done this part. Now, move to the next. 0. We don't need write to 0. हमें 0 को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है because 0 has no value. So we have to write 240,098. Okay, student. And 90. Understand, student? 243,098 because there is 0 in 100 place. So हमें 0 में कुछ भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Then we have to write ones and tens in combined form and 98. Understand, student? Okay, the remaining parts you have to solve by yourself at your home. This is your home task. Understand, student? Now move to the next exercise, exercise number 10. Next exercise, exercise number 10. Write the place value in expanded form. Okay, student? All of you know about what is expanded form. In expanded form, we have to write these numbers with their place value. हम इन नंबर्स को इनकी प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ सेपरेट राइट कर देंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल दिस 1 10 100 1000 10,000 and 100,000। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो नाउ व्हाट शुड डू वी नाउ? अब हम क्या करेंगे, इन नंबर्स को हम इनकी प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ सेपरेट राइट कर देंगे। हियर इज 2 प्लेस वैल्यू इज 2 1s, तो हम क्या करेंगे 2 को उसकी 2 राइट करेंगे, साथ में हम क्या करेंगे उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू राइट कर देंगे। एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में हम क्या करते हैं, हम नंबर के साथ उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू को भी राइट करते हैं। एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म वी हैव टू राइट प्लेस वैल्यू विथ इट्स नंबर। व्हेन वी राइट नंबर देन वी हैव टू राइट इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू आल्सो। नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 3, so 3 place value is 10, so what should do we now? We have to write 3 tens. Next number is 7 and its place value is 100, so we have to write here 7 hundreds. Understand? Next number is 8 and its 8 place value is 1000, so we have to write 8 then its place value thousands. This is method of expanded form. In expanded form we have to write its place value with this number. इस नंबर के साथ उसकी place value को राइट करते हैं। Here is 0 0 10,000. Next is 6 place value is 100,000. We have to write here 6 then 100 and 1000. Okay student, understand? We have to write these numbers with their place values. 2 place value is 1, so we have to write here 2 ones. 3 place value is 10, so we have to write here 3 tens. This is our expanded form. 7 place value is 100, so we have to write here 7 hundreds. 8 place value is 8, so we have to write here 8 thousands. 0 place value is 10,000, so we have to write here 0 10,000s. Okay. 6 place value is 100,000, so its place value we have to write 6 and 100,000. Okay, student, understand? So remaining questions we have to solve by yourself at your home like this. Okay student, here is exercise number 11. Place the numbers in correct boxes and then write the number name. Okay student, you can see here numbers are given us in expanded form. These numbers are given us in expanded form, so we have to write these numbers into their value boxes, into their correct boxes. Okay student, you can see here this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000 and this is 100,000. Okay student, it is 200,000, 200,000, it is 70,000, it is 0, it is 100, it is 80, it is plus 2. Okay student, so which number is in 100,000 place? 2 number, so we have to write here 2. Okay, which number is in 10,000 place? 7 number, so we have to write here 7. Which number is in 1000 place? 0. Here is no number, so we have to write here 0. Which number is in 100 place? 1. Which number is in 10th place? 8. And last 2. Okay student, these numbers are in expanded form. We have to write these numbers into its place values. हमने यहाँ से numbers लेने हैं, इनको इनकी place value में write करना है. Look at the table. Which number will come in 100,000? You can see here in 100,000 number is 2. 200,000 we have to write here just 2. हम यहाँ पर सिर्फ 2 राइट करेंगे. हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में नंबर्स को उसकी वैल्यू के साथ राइट करते हैं, जबकि जब हमने उनको के साथ उनकी वैल्यू को राइट नहीं करते, जस्ट ऊपर इनकी वैल्यू मेंशन होती है। वी हैव टू पुट द नंबर, जस्ट हमने नंबर राइट करना होता है। नाउ वी हैव टू राइट देयर नेम्स, हमने अब इनको नेम्स के साथ राइट करना है। सो सबसे पहले तो हम इसको 2 पार्ट में जरा डिवाइड कर देते हैं, 1 पार्ट एंड 2 पार्ट। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 270,000, 270,000। तो पहले हम राइट करेंगे 270,000। We have to put comma here. Okay, this has done. Now next is 182, 182. Now we have to write, this is our second part. First we have to divide into 2 parts, then we have to divide this in again 2 parts. We have to write 100 after 270,000. We have to write 100. Then we combine these both numbers, 8 and 2 become 82 and 82. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? हम क्या करते हैं कि पहले हम इन तीनों थाउजेंड्स को मिला के लिख देते हैं, 270,000 लिख दिया, उसके बाद फिर हम राइट करें, उसके बाद हमने लगाना है कोमा। डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट कोमा, कोमा लिखना बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना। 270,000 राइट कर दिया, उसके बाद 100, फिर हम 100 को राइट करेंगे 100, then 8 and 2 will come together here, 82 becomes 82. We have to write here 82. Understand student? Student, look at the next question. So first of all we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. There is no 100,000, just 10,000. So which number is in 100,000? Here is no number in 100,000, so we don't need to write anything here. Next, which number is in 10,000? 9 number. We have to write here 9. Which number is in 1000? 1. We have to write here 1. Which number is in 100? 5. We have to write here 5. Which number is in tens? We have to write here 9. Which number is in ones? Here is 0. Okay student? So now we have to write number names. This is one part. This is our second part. This is our third part. First of all we have to write these numbers in complete name of these numbers. 91,000. Here is no any number in 100,000. So we have to combine 10,000 and 1,000. So it will become 91,000. Then we have to write number in 100. Then 500. After tens and ones will come together. 9 plus 0 becomes 90 and 90. Understand student? The remaining questions you have to solve by yourself at your home. This is your home task. Look at the board exercise number 12. Write the place value of 7 in the following numbers. Okay student? We have to look at the number 7 and we have to tell the number 7 in which place value is this number 7 is. We have to tell the place value of number 7. Here is the number given us. So we have to tell the place value of 7. So first of all we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we can see here in which place value this number 7 is 100. So we have to write its place value, that is 100. Understand? Okay student? Now look, first we have to write 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we have to look which in which place value the number 7. Here are number 7 2 times given us. First 7 number place value is tens, so we have to write its place value tens. Okay, next number 7, its place value is 1000, so we have to write its place value 1000. Okay student, remaining questions you have to solve by yourself at your home by using this method. Okay students, this is your home task. Look at your homework. This is your homework. Do practice of exercise 9 to 15. You have to solve these exercises and you have to do practice of these exercises at your home, and you have to learn times table of 6. This is your homework. Okay student, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.